Welcome to my channel. May 21, 2021 Current Affairs. Question number 1. Who has been crowned Miss Universe for the year 2020? Option: Andrea Meza, Adeline Castillo Lino, Janik Makita, Julia Gama. And the answer is A. Andrea Meza. Its explanation is Mexico Andrea Meza has been crowned Miss Universe 2020 at the 69th edition of the pageant. Question number 2. Which is the world first country to ban all synthetic cannabinoid substance? Option: USA, China, Mexico, Japan. And the answer is B. China. Its explanation is China has become the world first country to ban all synthetic cannabinoid substance. Question number 3. Which platform has signed as agreement with Indiabulls Housing Finance to acquire its asset management company for rupees 175 crore? Option: Grow, Zerodha, Paytm, Uptalks. Answer is A. Grow. Its explanation is online investment platform Grow has signed an agreement with Indiabulls Housing Finance to acquire its asset management company for rupees 175 crore. Question number 4. Who has appointed as the people advocate of COP26 for climate change? Option: David Attenborough, Greta Thunberg, Leonardo DiCaprio, Priyanka Chopra. Answer is A. David Attenborough. Its explanation is Sir David Attenborough has been appointed as the people advocate of the COP26 for the UK's presidency of the UN Climate Change Summit to be held in Glasgow in November 2021. Question number 5. What is the theme of World Hypertension Day 2021? Option: Measure your blood pressure accurately, control it, drive longer. B. Know your number. C. Measure sorry Measure your blood pressure, know your blood pressure. And the answer is A. Its explanation is the theme for World Hypertension Day 2021 is Measure your blood pressure accurately, control it, live longer. Question number 6. The first state to join the global COVAX alliance to procure anti-COVID vaccines. Option: Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Punjab. And the answer is D. Punjab. Its explanation is facing an anti-COVID vaccine shortage. The Punjab government decided to join the global COVAX alliance for sourcing the immunization shots at the best price. Question number 7. The NADI is a next generation digital financial infrastructure being built by the body. Option: IDRBT, NITI Ayog, NPCI, SBI. And the answer is A. IDRBT. Its explanation is the Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology IDRBT is building next generation digital financing infrastructure named National Digital Financing Infrastructure. Question number 8. MINI TV is a newly launched free video streaming service. The service has been launched by which entity? Option: Z Entertainment, Amazon India, Star India, Reliance. And the answer is B. Amazon India. Its explanation is the Amazon India has launched a free video streaming service named Mini TV. Amazon now has two video streaming services, Prime Video and Mini TV. Question number 9. The World Health Organization has classified a coronavirus variant found in India as global variant of concern. Name it. Option: B1510, B1607, B2615, B1617. And the answer is D, B1617. Its explanation: the World Health Organization has classified a coronavirus variant found in India as a global variant of concern. This variant has been named B1617. Question number 10. As per new directives, the second dose of the Covishield vaccine will now be given after how many days? Option: 75 days, 60 days, 84 days, 70 days. Answer is C, 84 days. Its explanation is the Union Health Ministry announced that the second dose of the Covishield vaccine will be given after 84 days now. Question number 11. The World Hypertension Day is observed on which day? 16 May, 17 May, 15 May, 14 May, and the answer is B, 17 May. Its explanation: the World Hypertension Day is celebrated on 17 May worldwide. Question number 12. The Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharam handed over possession to how many home buyer of the first toll project complete with funding by SWA-MIH fund? Option: 500, 640, 690, 610. Option answer is B, 640. Its explanation is the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharam handed over possession to 640 home buyers of the first stall project completely with funding by Swami Fund managed by SBI CAP Ventures Ltd and D. Question number 13. How much amount has been allocated for the year 2021 to 2022 for Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture? Option: 2350 crore, 2150 crore, 2500 crore, 2250 crore, and the answer is D, 2250 crore. Its explanation is the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare has provided an enhanced allocation of rupees 2250 crore for the year 2021 to 2022 for Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, a centrally sponsored scheme. Question number 14. What was the profession of M.S. Narasimha who has passed away? Option: mathematician, astronaut, agriculture scientist, social activist. Answer is A, mathematician. Its explanation is noted India mathematician Professor M.S. Narasimha has passed away. Professor Narasimha along with C.S. Sehadri were known for the proof of the Narasimha-Sehadri theorem. Question number 15. When will the 43rd GST Council meeting take place? Option: May 26th, May 27th, May 25th, May 28th, and the answer is D, May 28th. Its explanation is the 43rd GST Council meeting will take place on May 28, 2021 through video conference. Question number 16. Miss India finished at which sport at the 69th Miss Universe pageant? Answer option is 10th, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and the answer is C, 4th. Its explanation: Miss India Adeline Castellino was the third runner up at the 69th Miss Universe pageant. She finished 4th behind Firuz Janik Makita. Question number 17. The Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology is managed by which organization? RBI, SEBI, SBI, NPCI, and the answer is A, RBI. Its explanation is the IDRBT is arm of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Question number 18. What is the theme of the World Telecommunication and Information Society Day 2021? Option: enabling the positive use of AL, bridging the standardization gap, accelerating digital transformation in challenging times. Connect 2030 ICTS for the Sustainable Development Goals? And the answer is C. Acceleration Digital Transformation in Challenging Times. Its explanation: the theme of 2021, the Telecommunication and Information Society Day, is accelerating digital transformation in challenging times. Question number 19. What was the profession of late Sri Sunil Jain? Option: journalist, classical singer, sports person, filmmaker. The answer is A. Journalist. Question number. Its explanation: senior journalist Sunil Jain passed away due to post-COVID complication at the age of 58 years. He has the managing editor of the Financial Express newspaper. And the last question is question number 20. When is World Telecommunication and Information Society Day observed? Option: 16 May, 3rd Sunday of May, 3rd Monday of May, 17 May. And the answer is D. 17 May. Its explanation is the World Telecommunication and Information Society Day is observed every year on 17 May. Thanks for watching video. Study hard and achieve your goal. Goodbye friends.